So I'm standing here with Wayne at Little Baja, and Wayne, we are celebrating here today with you because 32 years in business, that's a long time.
That is.
So tell me a little bit about the history.
I went to a Mexican fair downtown one time. I was looking for something to bring up from Mexico. We tried a lot of different products and then just happened to stumble into pottery and brought up a few pieces, and everybody liked it, so we just kept bringing up more and more and more.
And I have to say, one of the things that I don't think a lot of people realize about you and the time you've done this is you have really concentrated on the quality of Mexican pottery, the real Mexican pottery that you sell, not the stuff you can get in box stores and things like that. Tell me the difference.
Well, the difference between the clay that we sell and the terracotta planters that you might find at a box store is that ours are made by small families. The box stores require a lot more volume, and they buy from big factories, and factories put mud in their clay to cut their costs.
Right.
And there's no mud in our clay.
And one of the things that you know this is accurate on is because you really have worked very hard over the last 3 decades creating relationships with the people that are making the products you sell. You know these families.
I know these families, and they're all related by one way or another, and enjoy a really good relationship with them.
And then you can really speak now of the selection that you have and know that it's all great quality. So tell me a little bit, because you have so many items here.
Well, you know, not each family has a different set of molds they make, so I buy some pots from one family, and I buy the chimeneas from another family, and buy the sun faces from another family, and they're all blood related one way or the other.
And one of the things that I got to mention the piñatas too, because you get that from a specific family as well. Those come from there.
We get that from a family that migrated to Tijuana from Michoacan, and the father was a genius artist, and he passed that art on to his children, and now we buy from the children.
So Wayne, although you have a wonderful selection of terracotta, you also have expanded into statuary, fountains, and concrete.
Right. Well, we got introduced to it in about 1997 and discovered that there's a large selection of people that like to buy concrete statuary and look for fountains and bird baths, and so we try to carry enough selection of that you know, to help.
Right.
Satisfy
And you
the
know,
market.
too, you really believe in the terracotta though, because you have a great guarantee on it.
We guarantee all of our planters. If you're not happy with it for any reason, bring it back and I'll replace it.
Well, there you have it. So tell me, you know, I think that 32 years is really unique. That's a wonderful amount of time for a business to be doing as well as you have done. So, you know, for more information on this great location, you can go to gardentime.tv. We'll click you over to Little Baja's website, find out when their hours are, come out and celebrate 32 years with them by taking home a beautiful piece of terracotta. Thank you so much, my friend.
All right. Thanks a lot. I appreciate it.